ready to style and to profile. Bye-bye. Cash on 10x. Now, I would absolutely love to see that. What about you, ladies and gentlemen? You have a bet place for that cash hunt right now? Come on, let me know. Let me know, baby. Woo! Look at that from the 12th time. Crazy time champ, mama. Hope you have a bet placed on that cash hunt. This is going to be beautiful, baby. This is going to be beautiful. There we go. We waited, and we got it. Oh, this is beautiful. And a lot of 100s. Guys, how many 1000 X's are there going to be? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9, maybe 10. I don't know. Bam. After I shuffled them, choose one of the flappers. Okay. Best of luck to you in getting that 1000X. The chance is pretty good because there are a lot of 1000Xs. So let's see it. All right? And then I'll tell you how many players got that 1000X. I want it to be absolutely spectacular. Oh, baby cash. 328 players with the 1000X.
Lara Croft, The Witcher, these type of games. Resident Evil, 7X on Crazy Time in a top slot. But I can't say that I'm gaming like every day. No. Time to time, you guys. Time to time. Crisis. Yeah, I've tried. Boratka. Yes, I've tried. Ha! Yeah! It's in! Hey, we got 7X on top of this one, too! What? Oh, man. Okay, let's go. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Oh, what a beautiful day to enter Crazy Time, isn't it? I mean, the moment is perfect. 7X on top of that one. Woohoo! How about that? Let's 7X it up. Let's drop that 7X on top of everything like it's hot. So what do we got right now? Yes, 3 flappers to choose from, ladies and gentlemen. Pick one of your favorite ones. Either the green, blue, the yellow. It's up to you. And the biggest multiplier right now is 1,400X. Let's go. Bam.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.